It is finally here. iPhone 10, iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. It's here, and I have them both in their colors, the silver and then the space gray. I'm personally going to be using the space gray, but we got both of them here. Super exciting. Let's hop over here for the unboxing. And there they are. The silver model, iPhone is written in silver. This one's written in black or space gray. It looks black in person. They're both the 256 gigabyte model. Which one do I want to open first? Let's open up the silver one first and see how that looks. There it is. Put this to the side. Of course, you got your Apple paperwork, usually with like your Apple stickers and your start guide. And here it is, holding it for the very first time. These bezels are so shiny. It's like straight chrome, and it's a fingerprint magnet. Look, it's leaving so many fingerprints already. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like filling up with fingerprints already, and I didn't even take the plastic off. Put this to the side. Everything else in here is pretty standard. You got your headphones with your little dongle, your charging cable, and then your USB 5-watt power adapter. Sucks that they don't include the fast charging adapter. You gotta buy that separately. Pretty much the same exact thing. I'm just excited to see this color. Put this to the side. Here it is. Wow. See, I love that so much better. It looks black, but it's actually a gorgeous space gray color. I know it's hard to see on camera. It's like a nice gray. It looks straight black though. Again, you just got your headphones, charging cable, and the charging brick. Put this aside. And here they are. Two new iPhone 10s, X's, whatever you want to call them, in their space gray and the silver. They are so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one to the side and unwrap the gray one. I haven't even unwrapped the plastic yet, and I can already tell it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. Look at all that. Go ahead and unwrap it. Oh wow. This is literally the cleanest it's ever gonna be. And it's on. This is my very first time seeing this display in person. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice. Just for comparison, this is the iPhone 7 that I've been using. That's your screen difference if I put them bottom to bottom. You can see this bottom bezel and that top bezel, and this new one is just all screen. I'm gonna set it up and we'll be right back. Here it is, first home swipe. And there you have it, the iPhone 10, iPhone X. This thing looks so nice in person. This screen is unreal. I just can't wait to set it up completely and put everything from my 7 onto my new phone. This was just a little unboxing video of the iPhone 10 in both colors, space gray and the silver. They both look super clean, but I personally am going to be using the space gray. This is my favorite. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be doing a review on the iPhone 10 pretty soon, and I'm also going to be doing a video comparing the iPhone 10 to my old 7 to see if it's worth the upgrade. It's honestly not that much difference in size from the 7 to the 10. If I put them side by side, you can see the iPhone 10 is just a tad bit taller. If you have an iPhone 7 or iPhone 6 or iPhone 8, not the Plus model, just look at it and imagine your entire front being screen. That's pretty much what the iPhone 10 is. And I gotta say, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to start using it. Again, make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I upload my review and my comparison to my old 7. And I hope all of you have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys soon.